Okay, so now we're adding the meaningful test validation. Yep, so let's do them. So this is actually the core, the responsibility of a validation engineer. If you do different way, you can do it, but people will know that you are very, you are not a truly quality assurance person. Okay, so we just say things as a meaningful way, as like the other people, a manager, the product owner, the front end developer, or anybody can come and they can read and they can actually identify what we are expecting from each of this, the test validation. Okay. All right. So now we started to actually the validating the response body. Request body is something we are sending. Means you are sending from your machine using your browser or using the Postman or any other tools. Response body is coming from actually from the server. This server actually on the AWS. So now the response body, we added the 3 test and the 3 test is pass. So if the test and any of the test is not matching, say an example, the line number 2, just put it instead of 200, just put the 203. See what happened. So say an example, response body came with the 203. I'm just giving an example. So let's run it. So it's failed. So that's the actually you ensure. So you already know expectation means I am expecting if it pass successfully, I'm expecting it should show 200. However, if developer was making some changes and then this change and his change caused these issues, and then if you after you run this API after the changes, the new user story, and then if you get the failure, you see this, you can see right away that it failed because you expected 203, but the system is getting 200. Understand? Highlight the 200 status 200 bottom here. Yep. So look at this. This is the one, the server. Where is the server? Our AWS cloud, our Docker server gave us 200. And in the declaration and the test part, line number 2, what we did, we just put it 203, just intentional. Why? It's to verify that if your expected and actual is not matching, then the postman will be throwing an error because you actually defined a test validation page in the line number 2. And this is the predefined function given by the postman. Okay, predefined means it is already there, you are just using it. User defined means you are making something, you are writing the code to actually do something which is not exist in the predefined function. Okay, so that's how you will do the testing. So same validation you can add on the negative test cases. So basically the user story to perform the testing, it will take actually the very nicely creating the test data, creating the test cases, and then do everything. You can think about like the 4 to 5 hours. Okay, because then you have to do the review process as well. Okay, Panthi, you can.
Hello.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, so what's the next plan? I mean, will I bring the rest of the APIs?
Yes, please. Bring the rest of the APIs, then we'll be setting up some of the smoke testing, some of the sanity testing, some of the regression on here.
Okay, so the next one is like we are going to get the 239, updating a product. So also here we can add the positive and also add another folder negative. So on this, what we're going to do, we're going to edit this, bring this one, copy this through the curl command, and then import, paste it, and after that, just simply save it and go to the specific folder, change it, save it. Okay, so here we can see like when we created a product. So here we are getting the ID. So we'll have
Got ticket,
to,
Guru. Nice.
sorry. Hello. Okay. So we can get this ID. So just simply copy this. Let's say we are going to update this information. So just simply pass the ID here. Okay. Then after this, then what you can do, you can just update the name. Let's say the t-shirt instead of the, we are going to update with the pant. Then we can keep the image, the another image. Let's say, okay. Then also put the description and then the price is 100. Category is pant, cloth, and brand is Eagle, and stock is, let's say, 10. Okay. Now if I send it, and here I can see it's updated successfully. So that's good. Okay, so as it's updated successfully, and also like if we want to like check it, we have another request. That one is get all, what it is, view the products. Okay, 238. So let's bring that one also. Two, three, eight. Then get all the products and also add a folder here, positive, negative, and bring it from the Swagger. seller should be able to get all the products. Save it and then just simply send it and scroll down, and here you can see. So this is the just that we as we updated. So this is the updated one. Okay. So now what you can do, mm, we can also like um, if you want to delete the product. So for that, just simply the similar way, just bring the deleting a product. The user stage 240. So okay. So now just simply to add folder, positive, negative. Okay. So after this, then what you can do, we can just simply bring that one also. Copy this and import and paste it here. Then save it. Go to that specific folder. Then seller should be able to delete the product. Save. Okay. So here what we'll have to do, we'll have to give the ID of that product. So where we'll get the ID from here, right? After whatever we're going to create, that one we can pass it here and send it. It will delete the product. Product deleted successfully. So if I send it again, it should not delete. Actually, it's product not found. So yeah, that's the expectation. So now what you can do, we can actually get this ID automatically instead of passing this ID manually, copy and paste it from here. We can write a script here. So just simply we can create a variable create product response body equal to json.parse. We're going to parse the response body, then pm.environment.set, and we're going to setting with the product underscore ID. This is the name, and then just simply we are going to create product response body. This is the whole response, then dot product dot underscore ID. Okay, because it's inside the product object, right? So now if I send it again, okay, it's giving me the issue. What the issue? Response body is not defined. Okay.